Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a very nice product from the ENGWE, and that's a bike bag. And this is really nice because it's not only very well built and has very good quality, but it's also very functional. So I'm going to tell you and show you why. First of all, you can see it's rather compact, it's not very big, and it's kind of semi-hard. It's not very hard, it's not hard plastic that cracks, it's just an armored fiber something. And this is also fully waterproof, and it also has waterproof zippers, so water will not ingress through that. As you can see here, really nice wheel. It has a lot of functionality with handle to carry it. It has straps, elastic straps. It has pouches to add bottles and other things. It has a lot of plastic latches, so you can fix this to your bike or fix other things or tie them up. It has various pouches on exterior here. It also on the rear part, it has here a reflector, so you are better seen. But this is only where the good stuff starts, so I'm going to unzip the main compartment here, and inside you are going to get one pouch here and a lot of other stuff in. So let's go through that quickly. So inside you get a lot of space, and you have this extra protection here for water. And even if this closes, you see it kind of catches water in, so it will not drip on your things there. It also has a underneath protector, so even if some water gets somehow in the lower part, you have this padding that keeps stuff over and also protects it from impact, so makes it better. Also here it's again semi-hard plastic, and it has padding here, so it also protects the content. Right, so inside we get a strap for your shoulder when you are carrying this off your bike. Then you have different materials with Velcro, so you can actually organize the internals of this. If you carry multiple things, you can adjust this, as this Velcro will catch onto the side panels here. Then you get a reflective rainproof cover, so if you are in a pouring rain and you want to be absolutely sure that no water goes in, you can just put this over the bag, and you are also seen better at night during bad weather, and you are protected totally from the rain. Then you get some extra straps for doing various other things with this bag, securing it better, or adding something else connected to it. Maybe you want to carry a big package or something, you can do that. And that's not all. You probably believe that this is just another part of the bag. No, here you can store something that is not very big, but here it expands to a regular side pouch for the bag, and here you can store some pretty big stuff inside, because this thing is rather huge. I don't know the liters for its capacity, but you can fit a lot of stuff in. It also has here a Velcro specially designed, so when this is open, this acts also as a protector here on the bike and keeps this for not floating like that in the weather if it's not full. Also it has side reflector for more safety. To install this on the bike, it's very easy. You have a lot of Velcros underneath, so you have these two big side ones and also these front ones. And to install them on your ENGWE bike, it's very easy. If you have the ENGWE rear rack, this just goes like this. The front ones will go over through this part, and the others will go underneath this. This will be secured in position also with this side grill here. That's really nice because this will just rest on it without any kind of problems. In case you are wondering how big this really is, I'm going to do a small demo. So this is my drone with 4 batteries inside and remote controller. It just goes in easily on one side here. Then we get my hoodie jacket here. This goes to the other side here, no problem. I can fit 2 of them. Some of my GoPro gear, no problem. All of that goes there. And because I'm doing a review and I have all the accessories to show them to you, I can also fit them to one of the sides here with no issues whatever. And then I've just brought this full of stuff. So I have GoPro chest mount here, I have tools for the bike, you can see the full review also on my channel, memory cards for my cameras, 2 mobile phones, 360-degree camera, another GoPro, and there are still some other things, remote keys and whatever. And I also, in these bags, I also can fit easily my other GoPro that I'm filming with it right now, with this charger, media mode, tripod, and also a long selfie stick that is put on the tripod. So all of that enters in this, and I still have plenty of space, and I'm also carrying the accessories for this. So this is just huge. So when everything is fully packed up and filled, you still get extra space here. You can fit a bottle or something that you want to access quickly from here. This is also reflective, also this. You can have this adjusted, you can strap something else. Also you still have space here, fit another bottle or something. So there's also extra space around it. You can do a lot of things with it, and when you don't want to carry that much, you can make it compact and just use the internal space, and that's it. And also these fit inside, no problem. Just to zip it, and those are also inside. So you can see, very versatile. So that was with the bag. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Be sure also to check the review for the ENGWE e-bike, which is also really nice. You can see that on my channel. Until my next video, see you and bye bye.